Hi there, Shane McCarthy here from Swift Pain Relief to introduce you to the Hideout XPDS 18. Now, here at Swift Pain Relief, we do talk a lot about the Pro Wireless. It is a Pro, it's wireless, it's awesome. But if you have a limited amount of extended medical coverage or a tighter budget, we do have a wired device called the Hideout XPDS 18. It's this little guy right here, very small, compact, 2 channels, A and B right here for you to plug into, on-off switch on the bottom, USB to plug in, just like all of our devices. It has a lithium ion battery and comes with a charger, as you see here. Also comes with a circle set of electrode pads, a rectangle set of electrode pads, a pad holder just in case you lose the protective coating on your sticky pads. Comes with a couple of sets of connection cables for you to plug into the device, as well as, like all of our devices, comes with auricular therapy clips for headaches, migraines, and TMJ syndrome. Just put these on your earlobes and seeing full-on migraines go away in 15 minutes. So to use this device, basically what you do, take the cable, plug it into one of the channels here, and turn it on with the toggle switch on the bottom. You'll see there's 18 modes there. There's 3 E.M.S primary modes that you use for warm-up or pain relief. There's 5 different massage modes, 2 different types of deep tissue massage, hot stone, shiatsu, and cupping. As well, there's the setting for reflexology for your feet, and there's the auricular therapy setting, which are both microcurrent settings. Then there's 2 pure microcurrent settings on there that honestly you use both channels for, and you can crank it all the way to the top and you won't feel a thing. It's pure microcurrent. It's used to get into your mitochondria and increase ATP production up to 500%, which is going to help with recovery rate and reduce recovery time in a huge way. Another cool thing about this device is it's got a pre-workout, so during your workout mode, and a post-workout mode. All of those are incredible to get yourself warmed up, get insane pumps while you're at the gym, and then help you recover in ways that you wouldn't be able to and flush out lactic acid. As well as it's got 3 active recovery modes to help with the avoidance of muscular atrophy and strengthening of muscles. I find those specifically useful around the shoulders and knees. They allow you to strengthen your muscles in areas that are quite hard to strengthen without further damaging and creating more pain and damage to the injury. So this way you can sit there and let the device do all of the work for you. As you can see, I put the pads right on my shoulders. I turned it right on. You can switch the timer up in 10-minute increments, so you can go all the way to 60 minutes. Once it's done, it'll just shut right off, which is great because then you can wear it going to bed and not worry about it being on all night long. So if you need any more information, reach out to us at Swift Pain Relief on Instagram, and also check out swiftpainrelief.com. Reach out to us for a coupon code to make sure you get the best pricing, and we will talk to you soon.